Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the uploading videos lesson on this course. Now, I know a lot of you are going to just be saying that uploading videos on YouTube is obvious. I already know how to do this. I want to make this course friendly for people who are just starting out on YouTube as well as people who are already advanced on YouTube. So I'm going to show you how to upload videos and some of my best practices for doing so. So what are we going to be covering? First of all, how to upload videos. And then I'm going to show you how to schedule videos, which is an incredibly useful tool that I use all the time. And then I'm going to show you the best time to upload videos at first. So if you're unaware of what time you should upload videos, and you read online somewhere it says 12 o'clock, and you read online another place and it says 5 o'clock, and you're just confused when you should be uploading videos, especially if you don't have any audience at first, that is what we're going to be covering in this video. First of all, how to upload videos. Now, uploading videos might seem obvious at first, but I want to make sure everybody knows how to do it. To upload videos, you're going to want to go to youtube.com and then go to this little button right here in the top right, create a video or post, and then click upload video. And this will bring you to the video upload page, and then you can simply drag files from your computer or click this button and it'll open up a little pop-up in which you can select a video to upload, and the video will start uploading. And now I'm going to share with you something incredibly helpful when it comes to uploading your videos, and that is scheduling your videos. So using this YouTube feature will allow you to upload videos at the same time every single day without you actually having to sit there and upload the videos yourself. Now, I have channels that upload videos every day, and I literally just go into those channels once a month and schedule the 30 videos that my content creators made, and then I don't even touch that channel for an entire month. You don't have to, and that is why scheduling videos is so powerful. You can put channels on complete autopilot that you don't have to touch for a long time because those videos are just residually being uploaded every single day, every single week, whatever schedule that you happen to put it on. I always recommend daily uploads on YouTube to take full advantage of the YouTube algorithm. So let's look at how to schedule videos. This video is uploading here on YouTube. This is what it looks like when you're uploading a video. So to schedule your video, you're going to want to go down to this little button that says public, and it's a little drop down, and you're going to want to switch that to scheduled. This will open this little pop-up where you can choose your time zone, you can choose the day you want it to be uploaded. So let's say we wanted uploaded tomorrow, and let's say we wanted uploaded at 1 p.m. It's as simple as that. And then you put in the tags for your video, you put in the description, you write the title, upload the thumbnail, and then you are ready to just click publish, and it will publish your video automatically on the day and time that you specified. Let me also give you a brief overview of what scheduling videos actually does. So when you schedule a video to be uploaded, your video will be set to private and then be set public on the date and time that you specified. You can achieve the same thing by uploading your videos, setting them to private, but then you're going to have to manually go into your video manager and then set those videos to public to actually release them on your channels. I recommend just scheduling your videos. It's a lot easier, and it really helps with the workflow. And I've spoken to multiple YouTube representatives because I know a huge fear of a lot of people is that scheduling your videos will actually hurt the engagement of your videos. Now, I've spoken with multiple YouTube representatives, and they have told me that scheduling your videos in no way hurts the reach that your videos get. And I've confirmed this time and time again with my own channels. I have channels that get an insane amount of views and all the videos are scheduled. And I know a ton of the biggest channels on YouTube, including Brightside, they all schedule their videos because it's just too many videos to have people going in, uploading each one. They do it all at one time, and then they schedule them to be released as time goes on. So scheduling your videos is an incredibly important feature that I highly recommend taking full advantage of. So another thing I want to point out really quickly on this upload page is that you're going to want to write a description. As you can see, we have that default description that we wrote that will be on every single video that we upload. Now, we're going to want to write another section of this description that actually relates to your videos. So we might click enter a couple times, put a few spaces, and then we can type what this video is about. So let's say this video is about ways of making money on YouTube. What we're going to want to do is type out a couple paragraph description for this video. And we're going to want to put similar descriptions on every single video that you upload in the category of making money on YouTube, because on my YouTube channel, I plan to have buckets like how to make money online with courses, and then I'm going to have a bucket how to make money online with YouTube. So make sure the descriptions are very similar for every single ways of making money online on YouTube, or whatever that bucket of content happens to be for your corresponding channel. For example, if you had a fitness channel, you might have a category of how to do intermittent fasting, and then you'll have another category on how to do strength and conditioning. The same tactics apply to whatever niche you happen to be in on YouTube. And a really cool feature of vidIQ as well is that it will actually show you ideas of tags that you can include in your descriptions. Let's say that we want to boost this video with vidIQ. This is only with the $50 a month version of vidIQ, but this is an incredibly awesome feature that I love, and that is you can actually see recommended tags to put on your video. Now, I recommend sorting this by overall, and it will show you those best overall tags to include in your video. Now, obviously, the video doesn't relate to Branson Tay, Tyler Pratt, GTA 5. Obviously, it doesn't relate to this, but let's say it related to affiliate marketing. So we're going to want to add affiliate marketing on there. Let's say it related to PayPal money, so we add that on there. Side hustle ideas. Let's just add a bunch of tags just for the purpose of this example. And then if we scroll up, as you can see, it says consider using these highly searched for keywords in your description. Now, this is absolutely awesome because you know exactly what to use. So you can simply type out, today I'm going to show you how to make money with, and then you can just click add, and it will add affiliate marketing in your description where you want it to. And this is an incredibly useful way of adding those keywords in your description because vidIQ makes it incredibly easy. Now, like I said, that's only on the $50 a month plan on vidIQ, but if you can afford it, I highly recommend it. Now, you don't need it to be successful, like I said in previous lessons in this course, but it's a great tool to have. And when you can afford it, I recommend reinvesting your profits from YouTube in this tool because it has helped me a ton. And another thing I do once I add all the tags on my YouTube video, what I do is I add those tags that are on every single video that I upload, like side hustle, make money online, all that stuff. I move those to the end. Now, these are our default tags. I make sure that they're at the end because when we add a bunch of keywords, they're going to be at the beginning. But I move them around and I make sure that those keywords are at the end. So that list of 5 to 10 different keywords, I make sure that it's at the end of the YouTube tag section. Just like that, vidIQ makes that super easy to rearrange tags. So I just rearrange the tags and I put them at the end. Those are our default tags because then we can just forget about them once we have that tag list filled out. And a lot of people ask, how many tags should I put on my videos? I recommend using up as many tags as you can and just filling that box out and using up as many characters out of those 500 characters that you can. But the main key is to have tags that are actually high overall score. That actually trumps the quantity of the tags that you use. That is how I go about uploading videos on YouTube. Now we're going to be talking about the best time to upload videos on YouTube. The best time to upload depends on the niche and the potential audience for that niche. If you're just starting out, which I assume most of people are, then upload when most people in your audience's time zone are just getting home from school and work. So for example, say you live in New York and you're in Eastern Time, and you know most people get off work at about 5 p.m. Most kids get out of school at like 2 to 3 p.m. So I found that around 3 p.m. Eastern Time works really good for the US for most niches. Now, obviously, this does not relate to every single niche on YouTube. There are certain niches that do better at different times, but if you need a baseline and your audience you know is going to be in the US, about 3 p.m. Eastern Time works very good. Now, in the next module, we're going to be going over how you can actually go into your YouTube analytics to determine the best time to upload videos on YouTube based off of the statistics that you're getting. So you guys are going to find that incredibly useful, and I can't wait to share it with you. But a baseline for just uploading videos from the start, around 3 p.m. Eastern Time works good for the US, but if you're in India or a different time zone other than the US, then upload right in the middle when people get out of school and when people get off of work. Now, when you're going through your analytics, you might find that you are completely wrong on the best time to upload using the tactics that I'm going to show you in the next module, but that's completely okay. I used to actually upload videos at like 4 in the morning because my family actually had satellite internet, so my parents wouldn't let me upload videos during the day because it would take up too much of the internet. So I remember I had to sneak downstairs and upload my videos at like 4 in the morning. I remember I used to wear headphones and set an alarm because that was the only time of day that we had unlimited internet, was at like 2 to 4 in the morning or something like that. And I was still able to grow a channel from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in a pretty short time period. So this is just a little extra thing that you can do, just like subtitles. It's a little extra thing that you can incorporate in your YouTube strategy. And I thought I would share it with you. And I should also add that you should not get hung up on the best time to upload, because instant imperfect action is always better than delayed perfect action. So make sure you're just taking action and you're uploading videos. And then when you're uploading videos and you're on that schedule of uploading videos, then you can start to play around with all this stuff, like best time to upload, putting subtitles on your videos. All of that fun stuff should only come when you're already uploading videos consistently. So make sure you're uploading videos. That is the primary concern, and then worry about all of this little stuff. So I hope this lesson helped you guys a ton. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next module.